We'd love to send cards and gifts to everyone, but we're on a budget and we just can't afford it. And add to that the time it takes.
It just doesn't get done.
I have lots of customers. How am I supposed to stay in touch with all of them?
A card? Like a real paper card? Seems kind of old school to me.
When do I have time to run to the store, pick out a card, fill it out, address it, stamp it, run it to the post office?
We don't want to be forgetful grandparents.
We want to be heroes.
But it's not easy with all those birthdays.
Send out cards change the way I do business. You'd be crazy not to use it.
Now we can send a card for 1/3 of the cost we could before.
And we can even add a gift right from the computer.
And I can do it when I have the time. I love it.
Send Out Cards has turned me into a guy that absolutely sends out greeting cards. I mean, it's helped me grow my business and has made me a total rock star with my family.
Send Out Cards has revolutionized how the world sends greeting cards and gifts. With this amazing system, you can choose from thousands of greeting cards, add a personalized message, and even a photo. You can also include a gift. And most importantly, once you click that Send Card button, Send Out Cards prints, stuffs, addresses, stamps, and takes your card to the post office the very next day. Imagine the surprise when someone you care enough about to send a card or gift opens their mailbox to discover you remembered. It all starts with that Send Card button. First, your card is printed on the highest quality printers, cut, scored, inserted into an envelope, sealed, addressed, verified, stamped, and then delivered to the post office. And best of all, it all happens within 24 hours of you clicking that Send Card button. No more driving to the store, trying to find the right card from a narrow selection, finding postage, and getting your card to the mailbox. Send Out Cards has made card sending fun and convenient right from your computer, any time of the day or night. Need to send 100 personalized thank you or birthday cards? Want to add your own photos to those cards? It's just a click away. Don't you want to be known as the thoughtful person who always remembered to say thank you or happy birthday? Send Out Cards has created a system for you to be that person through cards and gifts at a fraction of the cost you would normally spend. Send Out Cards works on a point system. You purchase points and then use them to send cards. For instance, a standard 2-panel card costs 2 points, which is 98 cents. A 2-panel card with as many pictures as you would like costs 3 points, or $1.47. Our $9.80 monthly subscription allows you to purchase points at our lowest retail price. There's no long-term commitment, and you can cancel your subscription at any time.
Make someone happy. Stay in touch. Send a card today.
Look, with the economy the way it is, you can't afford not to use Send Out Cards.
To all the other moms out there, Send Out Cards really is the best way to go.
Look, as sales professionals, we work hard to find our customers. You want to keep them? Use Send Out Cards.
I'm telling you, man, you have to try Send Out Cards. Just go send a card.
If you're like me, you don't forget, you just remember late. Send Out Cards will help you to get it there on time.
Are you ready to build better relationships in your personal life or your business? Then get started right now. If you're still not convinced, take Send Out Cards out for a test drive today. You're going to love the way it feels.